Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of how to build a shit box. So, a lot of you guys have been bugging me. Dude, change your fender. Well, went and picked up a new one. And I ended up just getting an aftermarket. Because this side, like I said in the last video, that one's aftermarket. And it fits really well. So, I picked this one up and we're gonna do a test fit right now, make sure it actually lines up with everything and fits like it should. So I gotta rip the front bumper off to be able to get to, there's a bolt right there and I think a bolt in the front too. Yeah, right there. So I can rip that bumper off, pull that fender, we can throw this one on and see how it fits. Fender's off. I know a lot of you guys want to see this. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's throw that new fender on and see what we're looking like. Well, it bolts on. Looks pretty decent. Let's see if this door will close. Okay, that needs some adjustment there, but not terrible. Let's check the hood. Hood needs a little adjustment. Looks like it needs the whole front end needs to pull in this way. So we'll move this thing around a little bit, see if we can get it to fit. Alright guys, don't forget this. Apparently I forgot about it. This sits underneath on the very bottom mount. It's a spacer between the body and the fender. And I was wondering why it was pushed up so high. That's why. Alright guys, a little bit of massaging. Got everything to line up pretty good. It's obviously not perfect, but everything looks pretty good. That line looks good, about even with this side. Got about a 1/4 inch worth of gap. It's actually straighter than that side. So this light actually fits now. So yeah, that fender definitely should work. I think I'm going to leave it on and I'll pull the hood when I end up painting it, because obviously I'm not painting that hood, so I can get the inside of that, the lip in here. So yeah, that fender should definitely do the job. Alright guys, there it is. A lot of you have been asking or telling me to change this fender, so looking a lot better. I'm excited to get some paint on this thing. Basically what I got going right now is I'm holding off on the doors because I want to find doors with mirrors here, and if I can find the SR5 power doors, that would be extremely cool, because then I could wire in, have power windows and locks. But I'm not banking on that because those are very few and far between. So other than that, I need a hood, which I might go aftermarket, because actually, I mean, aftermarket Fender, this thing was 60 bucks. Fits good enough. It's not a show truck, obviously, it's a freaking Toyota pickup. So I may just go get an aftermarket hood and go that route, but we'll see. So once it warms up, like I said, once it warms up outside, then we can start shooting some color. I mean, all this side's good. This fender's done. This cab is pretty much done, except back here along the back has some dents in it that are probably gonna not be very fun to fix, but once I get this bed off, I'll have to fix all that, and then we could probably shoot the cab out. And I'm also gonna paint the jams too. I'm gonna pull the doors off because these are all beat up. The other side's a lot worse. So I'm gonna get a fresh coat of paint in these jams and have this thing looking real fresh. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one, but yeah, at least we got something accomplished. Got a fender on it. So you guys can quit bugging me about the fender. We're done. We got it. It's good to go. Looks a lot better now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video.